This is my 92, I believe. It's 92 Evinrude 25. Tiller steer, as you can see, it's manual start only, no electric on it. Show the ID plate on it. This way. You can get it. Yeah, it's not going to focus on it. Model on it is E25REIE. E25REIE. Tried to look that up a couple times on this motor and haven't really been able to find much on it. It's a commercial motor. It's quite a bit heavier built than, well, really any other 25 horse I've seen. It's a lot thicker and heavier in the foot. And through there, and where the bottom portion of the drive mounts, it's all thicker. This motor is about 25 or 30 pounds heavier than any other 25 that I've had. We haven't started it since last July. It's got some fresh gas in it. It's been a good running motor for me. The only thing is I find it runs a little rich. So I'm going to go ahead and try to start it here. We'll see what we can get. Get the charging handle through the hole in the cover. I found one thing with this motor, that it doesn't seem to circulate water very well with just the little ears over the intake holes. I found it circulates water a lot better if I use a tank like this. That's why I've got this whole tank. Alright, let's see here. Very powerful, motor. Got good compression. been one for one to maintain a low idle. Although it will run at idle speed. When it's in neutral, it doesn't really like to run at a low idle. Like I said, it runs a little bit rich. This thing's had a rebuilt power head, I know at least one. Shut off here. There it is.